Uh, Trade recap, trading journal, April 9th, 2024. Um, uh, Today, sucky day. Not a good day, and that's mainly because my emotions were heavy. Today, I just was battling, letting my winter run, facing a deficit, and I think I had an unrealized loss of over $1,000 at one point. Over $1,000 for my entire account, not for the day. So that played had an impact on my trading. This stupid balance, constantly looking at it, and I cannot hide it. Um, messes with my head, messes with my trades. So I struggled staying in two home run or what could have been home run trades. So I should have had a much better gain, and also the very last trade I took, I felt like I shouldn't have taken because I just had a feel. I'm going off my gut feeling, but a part of me was like, well, everything else selling off heavy. Maybe AMD would do a sympathy sell off once it finally cracks and the bears get strength, but that didn't happen. And yeah, I pretty much just missed the boat. I should have just let it go, and I ended up losing another $200 on that trade, essentially, when I just should have just closed up shop, and I would have been up $400 today instead of 240. So the first trade is NVDA. I think it's NVDA. Yeah. So technically, my first trade was a short here, but something happened, and it just like filled and exited, and removed me from the position. So I just essentially lost the commission for that particular trade, but turns out it was a good thing because the write up would have stopped me out. Now, I did get some luck on that. It was one of the few times where computer glitch actually helps me. So I realized, okay, next time it starts breaking down, I'm gonna wait until um, it confirms below this level. This is pre-market low, and pre-market was holding pretty good, I believe, or it was showing support, as you can see, by the fact that it came down and closed up and bounced off here once, and then another 5 minutes later, cracked it a little bit, but closed up. And this is the candle that essentially officially cracked and stayed below the support level. However, I did not. I sharpened up and waited for confirmation. As soon as it confirmed, I got in. It didn't go right away, which was a little frustrating because I'm thinking it's gonna come back up or do some stupid stuff and shake me out. But I got confirmation here, and I withstood this candle And as this candle started creeping up, I just wanted to say, screw it. Let me get my 25 shares before it starts coming up and I'm essentially break even or just looking at $100 profit. Yeah, had I been wiser, I could have just held the other 25 shares. And I think if I held through here after this candle, I would have got a pretty good. I probably would have taken the next profit target at 850. But yeah, freaking wasted opportunity. Very frustrating. So, the setup overall C plus maybe. Yeah, C plus. My entry A, execution pass, I guess. Overall trade B. Yeah. So what was huge is that I didn't let it run, and that's what my biggest concentration is right now, because I won't last if I just keep getting these 1-to-1 reward to risk ratios. The second trade was Tesla. Tesla was another stock. Yeah, it was a good runner. Now, first of all, I kind of hesitated. I wasn't sure, but eventually I just got in, and then this candle right here nearly took me out. I got lucky. Buyers came back in. I felt a little bit more confident. But the way it was trading, I don't have confidence in Tesla. I took my first target here and then held through this, and then this candle starts to show weakness, and I pretty much just give up, and I'm like, again, let me just lock in some profit. Man, was I wrong? Another freaking $4 run, essentially, and I missed out on that. So that is my bad. That's, man, two really big. I chose the right stocks today, but I was too scared to hold, and ended up only getting maybe half of what I should have made. Last stock, AMD. So the stock was trading stupid, and yeah, I didn't really like how it traded. I almost got in here on the breakout. Almost went short on the breakdown on opening aggressive trade, but it moved so fast I didn't want to chase it. Good thing I didn't chase it, because the very next candle popped out, and I was gonna short, I think here, or I might have had another intraday. I don't know. Anyways, I passed on this crappy action here, but the market's selling off. I'm watching NVDA, Netflix, Microsoft. They're all selling off pretty big, and this one is just not really budging too much. So I'm thinking, well, if it just cracks this level and holds, it could probably run down too. Right now, buyers just keep stepping in. So I went short, set my parameters, stop loss, profit target, and I just walked away. I only went with 100 shares short because I didn't trust it too much, but I didn't want to lose too much profit. And I should have should have shorted 50 shares. But anyways, I got stopped out, and that was the end of it. C minus on the setup. The entry was a C plus. Execution, pass, overall trade C minus. But that's it. Tomorrow I'm not gonna have much time to trade as I have a doctor's appointment, so I get about 40 minutes before I gotta leave, which could be enough time to place a trade. I don't know, or make some money. We'll see. Yeah, but I hope tomorrow's better, or I just hope the opportunity's there tomorrow. And again, the biggest battle I have right now is not allowing my winner to run. I'm just trying to lock in profits so I don't blow up my account and have to restart the trading challenge.